So now they have created Bawumia to become a mini god. Into what follow within Bawumia line. When I bring your baby a day. Ashe.
We are wonderful.
We are no more BP 28. 2028 BP.
We struggle to fund free senior high school, where basic amenities, even at certain hospitals, are a challenge, and you see revenue leakage of such magnitude, you get disappointed, and it's coming from customs.
Ken Ofori-Atta case. What happened in U.S. court yesterday? The base.
Ghana first.
The base.
Job for the youth.
The base.
Ken is coming.
The base.
All the way.
Just say you can. Yes, you ever can. Even going to farm to weed the crown. The base. You bet me the ashaho. Yabamo akwaba the mobile official Atija TV so. The friend were therefore. Na Saudi Atija meka ho. Let us when we me kra. Ema akwaba. Media. Shasi ho. A black background and a white subscribe that's ye. But oh, me no kasa ya fa wonsa na boss. Wo do boss wa eno anon ente wo hwe e kire se video bia ba e be ma wo hunu se abidu ana se ba pe a wo so YouTube na a show wo hoso video ayeden alade. Nyame on share no nya wakoma so ade ema. Na ene there were stories ahodo miensa akudampa ni nyina so we have videos to show you.
Yeah, no correct.
Videos to that effect. But before that, you better visit Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. See, I catch them say, "Shana say nipa boni ni ba ukrum." Now say we yan sheha asamo ba account.
Yeah.
Eno na panyini kan say panyini tina fie mamofra we na nka ye bu na nka refo a ye de na ye den eka ho.
Yeah.
Ena panyini tina fie ema esefia emfo so ho sa on say ye wa kurase ne ye friend mukia say de won be kan no sa mad bi a ye bono miensa na ye de eja ahyehya ase anu aduane wa kurase no sa wo ye panyini na wo tifie ne ye kodo hu nkobi na se nsu oto no amfa evans ade antoso na se efo a yentime nnu aduane ma ne nyeye eno so bi kan. So that is the point we are making. Nti ye huru say papa we ye tro na offer the papa bi amra Ghana man no ye so because a leader must not lead us say wo mo di na chi no no mo suro wo mo say ye di wu achi no ye de nidie ni suro nko ye de ema nana yenko mame niema ba mienu bi ne ye hwade
Shishia and the di kan nyina ne say honorable Mahmoud Bawumia Shishia no we wini flag bearer
yeah
betime de honorable aka ne ho
that his excellency
I saw his excellency yes am be man honorable aka
okay
it is a Shishia no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a we current flag bearer edema MPP amanukuo no ena me no kase wo ba amamuom afe 2016 ediko 2024 wanya de papa bia
yes
wanya wo ma Ghana ho kire ne papa
ona so ye bibia ye hu
ono kro ya eno eniema boye dendende wo Ghana
sir
afe promises I will make ye de biblibi or send the taxes will be good ni paso come at say ye hwea na enyi
or vice president nimpo na yiri timi budan
na promises
no be president
na promises ni bi de say o ka say obe create a district bia no obe ye of friend saying one district one factory na me no ka say ye nimba bia district ba akusia factory
ebi wa he kasa preko no obe de anwea kwaye ye ho so omo de
a job for the boys in any and a job for the youth no any afa papa we kuro ya your friend saying Mahmoud Bawumia ya e no mo de ko IMF nso therefore unim say country ko IMF na say country no wo so sebe ko hwini ne wo so sebe of friend say na bra ba need say country no we am bo wiase nyina
unim ne enti ayede cha Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enye na NBC ya Muhammad Yako IMF otena chire toto abo e ba park so say wode o mai ko IMF a chire se usika asam no wo
fundamentals
enye mama
unima bamuo
uba bedu ya e dey na si ye
ozo de yakwa IMF
Kennedy ko kan ya mumini ye kum o se party no we dey pa bonefo
before say
we dey pa bonefo
MPP ni bia sebe o hye da so hye MPP atade me kama wiase nyina to say MPP ni bi o hye MPP atade a enei onhu se trimupo base e de ba Ghana no eye trimupopa trimupopa enu nti obedi achi no ye kromfo na bra bani avi bara o
ma me kasa mcho obi a wodi base chi bia no unim obi obefra obi a wase na makoma te se Kennedy de me bo nipa eniema nto yi a mempe nana abrotrefo na ya so ade mu no ade no wo do mo ntra ho nto to ayampia kanse mu
ye ti won kakra ye hu won kra
Kennedy na dia me say mamo mane mekasa because the moment obekasa no ye registration kra ye ni ade no kra no they will cause confusion we need din second the ono MPP
yes ye adwuma
ye base
ye nka se MPP party no on try ne baby base nso ye na adwuma base aba oye na adwuma
na me say hu obi a o se oto aba 20 years ni ba Kennedy nti obeto aba base ese waba platform isu
say ye Kennedy o say nya Kennedy o si base no pesa party no because say me no ka base no me no ka say si ya e party a ebe say bonni afi krono
nana
ene sebe nkwala die mfa ncheme mpanifo me pamchewo mfa ncheme nkwala fa ha che party bi enu nyina fa nkwala nketenkete ni ade ye nkoma sem
ai bonni one to say yi kase wa pack V8 akwada no wonya 18 be 17 years
say obi anim say MP4 no MP4 ni bebrebe MPs NDC MPs bebrebe na nkwala fa koko test mu ahwaye ma
wo ya ne fasa no so fra ho ntuma
me say tie for vancheme
nkwala die na wa
tie for vancheme madawroma
but na wonim ya pese ya ma ahwefo ati bibi papa bi akasa said the MPP for mbekasi base for nkwa na ye de kasa mu a na chese ye diabolic mai na kasa na sem no ka ye no de opeso kire ne say MPP for panyimfo atena say ye nhwe ha ma party no ada ne BP ye ka BP a kire say Bawumia party
okay
because they say no omukoto free soro de ba ye no obia pese ana Bawumia try say ne nkrofo agi ni diye enkwan no person be leaders
it is a see and the Bawu party Bawu party straight party na o say mo obi anka MPP party na party na MPP party
mama
Bawu party
refo nhwe video no mra na wo de muntie abrantie no man no enyansesem a wo ka no na wanka say base fo nkwan na atra ba bi ayeka man no ye nim no onka base ho na so hwe nyansesem a wo ka no nana yankobra
all right
enti we num no afa no yayi flagbearer we no mu kwakoyi national chairman organizer. So now they have created Bawumia to become a mini god on them. Into what follow within Bawumia line, when Abenya baby I day Ashe. Yeah. They are creating Bawumia People's Party. BPP. We are no makonya BP 28. 2028 Ombenya BP Bawumia Party. Blood pressure Ombenya because Ombe free 38 about 28%. To amount BPP Bawumia Blood Pressure Group. Bawumia omo nipa ko national chairman untumi. Hwe bia MPP edru untumi ko national chairman.
Oh nana it is a wotie papa yi asama woka ono wi asama woka. You come to agree in terms with us.
Yeah.
Say the ya ne ka no kro nana say nye party a leadership no adwenbone ene wo mutirima. I think say ene woman be friend me free Germany.
Yeah.
Ono kwara was base no wa share the base women movement ase.
Sir.
Ah wo gada ma no din.
Papa
na wonim.
Okay.
Said be am refi. Asama wo kan say me kan say Jimmy ne doso e wo mpanyimfo no bi afa. And was say kaso obi kra Jimmy fo a na se ono no ono onsuro Jimmy fo fine. ana me say na mom eye adwempone na omtim say yes what dey na correct ba me so me dey no de enti agimi no eye no korre ne say Jimmy for ya dia onim de ye be frɛ kiraba
sa onwene ho
because onim MPP for paying for na kwaya de no onim say Kennedy no na ye target ye nyini free system no etunim ye yiwa free system sa no onim say Kennedy ho do no be ye escalated enu na kire Jimmy no
sa
on say tanka ye nyansani a ya no no say ye yini free mu a de ne besi e so san hwe
se enu ntina
hu ne sa dia den
enu ntina akoye no me ama Dr. Mamudu Bawumia okwa akobu sa abe ne se ebo a odansini no ato akone
ene yakọ
eti Kennedy no mom na akoye ntinye wo Bawumia ene obi ato akone wane to twene ye Akufo-Addo atata nipa saa ukọ he o singaw ufa ha Akufo-Addo singaw ena Akufo-Addo aye saa na ofo so ya na ye ode hye ye konse bam ena Ghana fo ye gu mani ase masan ya ma delegate fo sebe muo bi asa akwakofa wo de waba etinye wo mom na sebe wo na wo mom na moyi Kennedy enti ebo adansifo yi ato akone ne Kennedy na yen no
ye woni mi sama amene ho
yen no ye the base no ye be ya ebu papa de mayen
na ma memfa woman ne de no ntwato
fa wie
woman ne ka so mo ye wicked no na eno so ye trudo perfect because woni ni pantimi ntena party mu mwa mo sei na mu nkotena asem plot against him hwe say me say MPP for pay for mo po omo delegate be hunu say Boache jako hu ni mfaso na emom wuntumi na chirawo adwene ye kita nipa
na hwade
na how can you compare friends saying
ballot paper no na Boache jako da so achama wutumi so da
me akoto amachaba wutumi for what
sene unse friends da sibra je dwamra sene no compare Kennedy Japan na Kennedy ewo ha na Bawumia pe flag bearer Kennedy so pe flag bearer hefa na adru sebe nipa na wono wia Ghana sika wodi tua moka no de wia Ghana sika a wodi tua moka no wono mpo wo sefata so okope chairman na ahwe Boache jako ne pedigree na chairman wuntumi ekwako gina ne nchen adan a omo mienu nyine kopre national chairman ade MPP party ne serve omo bobo adam ana
wunim se nanu ya yesi wuntumi lawyer bi de ko wa file no case e de asan ko se ye ntwa wuntumi case no
de hokra de ye beba o ye beba o ne ye hwa ade bi emprempren a ye kasei MPP ankasa na party na e wo hosisi ya no ija dam nyina ne se Bawumia hwade o mo so mu nim nyansa de bia me kasa na se me DMPP fo atemo
a still no
hwade o me beka ne ma mienu ha
ebi nyom nyina
me DMPP fo ni bia atemo a se nipa omo dwene a omo ye nipa se be enye mmoa adwene ne do mutirim no so omo temetem ase de kire se hwade Ghana mabum a ye wo Ghana mrewa nkwakura ina Ghana enkwala ye wo Ghana obre ene wo hyew amane ahokyere a ekoso o man Ghana kuro nim no obi animo edie benti ne saa ohaw ne amane o hyew ni nyina ekoso eye krono a MPP party MPP party friend saying MPP government and NDC government krono ankofo we mienu nyina chief Batomebo na krono ankofo we mu nyina abo na I scratch your back, you scratch my back. We danema we baton na we ya danema we eno na ama omofum ajapade wo Ghana ne ade ama Ghana ye ho kyere yen obo kokoje IMF sika bakra na oma beche eti saa ne ama we ya ade a edi problem ye de ebre na youth atena ase ese no de ne ma kon emwa owura bi wo ho a ono na Nyankopon da ne so a wa pagya no nyame asiesie no for saa ne ma bone no oba se ne ma ni nyina ma Ghana fa ne ntoma prefira na sebe MPP for delegate ni bie ebinum a omo adwene nyadwuma na makwa tam sebe obi a wono aba wa ma ye hwe a enu nti yagina so abom akoto gatamu no mo san akofa de naba na mo kofa ni wie ya mo bebe sre se Ghana youth mabunu yentu aba emfa ma saa nipa
mo ye hu se mo gisika
so ho yentu aba emfa ma saa nipa no na yenhwe ade mo kofa saa nipa no nso esane se mukita dwen boni nti mo nhwe ade mo seti target ne to wo se yenko yi mfiri soro first ye yi firi soro adan ya ye ko yi afiri soro de abase hwe esese utie esese ye de base ye mfa MPP hu sese enka se ye sheda bom dua nkasa ye bo party ni dua ye sisa nsu e wo Ghana
we ye Kristo ni jaisa
ampa ese ye nyinya mekasa se we de onwumu maye antoanya manom ene konori nom ni ye de bo MPP fo party ni dua e bo mpanifo party no manu nsi e mesrew party ne mpanifo ne wo makufu adonom e koduanom ene wo mo aka na bi nom ese se ye de yi afantoa kunoli ne ofrene se nsu akase aka ebo sankofo we dia kumom nyina firi Ghana ho de enti America sa na enie yese from top to down aden ne yato abawie ne yi Canada ato atwene afa de mo ba police book of start every police station enom yen kam sankofo we nyina enom ye nyankopon no me bone kam nyina kam ye kore enom asefo we nyina
diabolic mind JFK who
top to down approach top to down eti we top ni wia e de na ese oye ese oba regional eno kranya regional we top ni wia ese oba national no abayi national we no aba regional no ayi regional we no aba friends constituency na fe wa ba polling station se we yi pani ni wia de wo be ko polling station ko chance every wo and e de aba se mo ye sa de no mo yi friends suru presidential race na mo yi president na wie no se mo anko chance free polling station someone shasi free national ansane amase na mabobo no na mko shasi free polling station yankopon no me nkam no mabusu anyina bono me bone pa nkam no mabusu anyina
eno de
o mu wie sika na so no mabusu na edi eti e bossa nua na eti e perform nyina
na woni se de wo kan ono na ye koyi no polling station no se president na flag bearer na nyo na yi no eno na ye kire se de sese NDC fo nso hihya to ho se 2028 no album na ekita on se keduru ho aye sign de nipa foforo be ka sa nipa no montwen
unya 7618 try oboa ye register
presidential liwia na fe ya ba be register mo it means say 2028 na mum nto aba ne bi na mum 32 na mbeto aba se nka MPP fo we nom abagia
enya bodamsem
obagia tumu a iti
ombeka se ho de ye party ye bebo e ho de ye party culture na chairman sa bo benya pani bi saa pani bi ono so ye pani saa
party culture
se chairman sa ye culture no se ne tie ye culture ye MPP policy ne se ko yi flag bearer uyi ni wia wo se top bottom approach na top bottom approach no udi firi soro e ba fom no ukoyi suru die ni wia fe de no asa abase asa be yi koso
de akufo ado e pa no wanya no se Kennedy na me da bia me ka me se Christopher mo hwe yen mamu bumfu se ya hiti dodo because enkobo nsam nim se ya ma Yesu Kristo ya kunu na nka adwo a nka na nka wonye Kristo ni nanso oku Yesu wie ye no e de na si ye Israel for ye say omo tena se ye bo Yesu asebia mu wie ye no on se nde ni dia heta enti na MPP for panyifo nim se omo yi Kennedy afiri ho fast
ye kunu kura free party
and to be frank
for
senye base pa ka Kennedy benya problem because wona wo turn the chikeke no Kennedy lose ye no utwa hwe Kennedy lose ye no
when he did
the whole night Kennedy lose ye no adwumam wo ye basa
wo ye nkan ho a nka de ye
wo te say yesi the base bi aba no what happened you re-energize yourself
rejuvenate
enti sana Kennedy dia ye enti wutina ba bi te ba bi aza base ne de agu masa the power is powering. The power is moving. The base has come to stay. Now, you're fast. You go second video, no, Emra. Second video, no, has to do with I find saying forcing. They say we're not soon in them. So, Obekaya, Professor Mills time, or call customs. Eko ye video bi ko bowra mo so prekope.
Ono nso minchwano, ono nso ye nipa bia na oba no okite japa. ya ni gya no odwene se nipa gya se na ho ɔden no na
professor
but no odwene se nipa
yeah no
so what I say
real patriotic person like
yes
Ghanaian
sir
but what do say NDC party no amana nya na
o ma nya
na ya ga se Kennedy base na e ban de wo no ye be ma free because me te hey second Obey mess up, I will blast you. I know they are Ukrainian. And I know say you will never disappoint us.
Ato forcing. Who say immigration, your friend say custom for the dream.
Aye.
The dream. Any idea, friend, what could you idea moye, no dear man, ya dear na.
Na custom is the massa. Omo be hobachra say. But you must be and yaman go yo.
Unya tisi wana shake up listen on about pa wo dismiss wo fire wo go prison wo you say
where are you?
This is the man we are talking about.
Canada
Japan. So no wo ho ne ade na wo no
atofo se to ayampia to papa so me say one kasa o grandfather yeah, a friend Professor Mills.
Yes.
No president na mu ko hu say dwirim bi koso ya hu hwe besi ne. Na wo de na to ayam pia obi wanu gbagba de na wo ka.
Waka ne kwa.
Mi antwi hu na besi
so on kan ne kwa anka baba jama o mu hurusu a kosi sei.
Na baba jama de baba jama
NDC baba jama mu hurusu ne kosi sei.
Na me bisa say baba jama de on sabe.
Yenti a yenkyere mo say MPP party any NDC party o mo ye diabolic o mo nye party papa. Omo nye party omo dwen Ghana ho anie saa na Akufo-Addo time kanofori ateye oye kromfo ye wadwane akotena America ya sese wo so osiki asalamu America yi of which a enya adwuma saa nipa we hwade se MP gange ya apoko Akufo-Addo wo se papa we no oboa oha oman no obi a wutimi kwaje bosia IMF na wo de edi kwa IMF a wo je bosia na wo no wafa mu 10%. Enya 1% o wo de abefa o bank mu no sika ne meduru Ghana no na enam bank mu wo ka che IMF wo ne so ye de account we ne e sika na etum sa account ne so ye wo account o bank account na de IMF wo no ma dani sika na etum kuro ebeduru Ghana na 10% automatically
o de fidelity na
data
okay
ebeto mu a Ghana ha na eduru Ghana enam abroche wa yeduru Ghana beti kuro 10 na hwew na so ahwim
na de ebeka Ghana fo
mu meje nko na woye no a watimi aye saa de we no na MP4 sebe saa bere no na nyansa wo MP4 ni ti wo matimi agange apaba abeka kire o se yikanofori ata wo se da bi okoje bosia ye ntwema ne nkoje bosia ni wie o IMF wie sebe de wo hwehwa ne se bosia no okoje wie a beti 10% o 10% so no na edi so no na edi na wo te Ghana na wo te wo no wo ya na me pese be na tem
entina make say enko entina make say indemnity clause ni free ho anka Akufo-Addo ga otwirim
eti hwade o
otwirim de
o yes ano e na wie MPP for bone na kanofori ata ase ni dina se ne ho ne na busua sa se party no e ne o seki asala mo US
entina na
eno uyi no free ho nso a hwe baba jama ono baba jama de NDC de e bae e de na siye ho ankohwe eneme no ka say ebia na custom de na si ebe hu gegre kirisamiya ntehwe eti party ni mienu party papa be
eti wo de yan hwe video ne mra na fe yan fa kakra e wo ho enti ho kakra emra.
I am very disgusted about what happened yesterday. I'm very, very, very disappointed. I say this because, you see, if you have a country with such magnitude of development challenge, where unemployment is high, up to date, school children are studying under trees, where we struggle to fund free senior high school, where basic amenities, even at certain hospitals, are a challenge, and you see revenue leakage of such magnitude, you get disappointed. And it's coming from customs. I will say it as it is. What happened yesterday was nothing short of organized crime. It's a group of citizens coming together to dupe a country.
Say na Professor Mills, eko jina hwa, na no ya announcement say, obinya customer within a year no o si dan. No bisa say di entia. Me ma ya djuma o customs hopping.
Sa
niema bi wo ho.
Niema wo ho pa wo whatever.
Etisi am fan say fan say say we yeah bia e man say 200
Yeah.
200 cedis.
Yeah.
Maybe I would have 2,000 pieces in a buy. It may be good amount. Sa amount to na ye good amount. What the cost of me never check.
Yeah.
So now the Akano. The Akano Ebuma Kwaban ho.
We also
now for say brochire ha
we are patriotic.
Eti unim yenya mo bi na bi ona goro boy kra wo customs ayi ho no kra wo
no anhye customer tare kra no
mmra nso a won kofie no na niema ayeyi ama no
bokro no saa
ti san kofo no de opa wo ya ko customs ayi ho ko hwe kasa ya pake ho
omu yusu kasa kese nko
fuwa scout
udi agro we boga na do ka du Ghana udi agro yes oh abe order from above
nana
o ka na kam
nana ayi
boni say ya
Mr. Akwa US
yes
what's a many bin kamisu
ya be ka no
hey me ma to me range me di aba no e boy da so
ya ma ntia
ya shada ya wo sa frustrated because panyini ne pesa aka no
sa
etini ya say what time I dem awaso Canada so
the boni say
the base mummy anti access asem bia ya ka bia connect to the base no wo na wo ba mu no what bre and wo pega na yi enunti e na aba ne sa nti atofo ase no ma yampia na omototo wo de se na make out sa 4 years e di anim on se kanya base na pagya ne mu a you no ne emrewa ne kwakora nyina na me hu video bi abrewa bi e kan the base o se Ghana first the base Ghana first the one me hwe kora o se Ghana first
sa pepe
abrewa ne bi kwa wan ko school do ba Ghana first ne Canada kam na te
omo time no na discipline wo ho omo time no ne dia part na say yo
no Canada kan say patriotic songs and obe gada womo na ya born in schools mu ya born in radio so na Kevin Taylor te ho no was re sakwa we ni de oye
Kevin Taylor
patriotism a free Ghana ni bia mu patriotism a free Ghana ni bia
patriotic e wo mu anka custom ti na obokro no say onwe hu se tax na ye je ne krade de koye Ghana yi
onwe Ghana
police ni gina kwan ho ka obi ka ne tie na chimhwe north no agya o se fabra ne ko at least okwa na omko wu okwa mkunkuro anya na sem odwen Ghana ho
chese ka timi sei na sikwam
eno
ne ye
accident kum ni pa wipe na fe yakotwe odwen Ghana ho
akufu ado time no de sa toll levy bi bai no na ye sabe na ye criminal because won timi nka se wo ji obi a just like that one ka se ka ne sei si ho within short you wan year free ho a district na when it to cast obemaso de akosi district won no ano no
enhihye enso nya adwuma nti no ye be maso de akono kwa na yaji usika na hye ni botom yaji usika hye ni botom no di
Ghana too much
ena me no ka se
too much
krom ha ye radio krom ha parking ticket se o park rough and o park wrong by bibi mistakenly na o park na wudnim se ye na o park na oba na ye de sticker bo ho a straight away no kana odi o o hwe ye no an the only thing an say so open yie mu a na number wa frɛ wo o frɛ wo an a chon so me pakisi ha na me ba ye take sticker bo ho no ma bisa nti why ready so obetua na
o pese enkokot
ana se wuntua niam mienu why ready so wutua na wuntua o ka se obetua okay na straight away no an se o ma gi details no pa straight away na yatew from our account pa na eko aban ne fotum eko o ka se wuntua nso a na o ma kire o se prove ho ne anti a wuntua bia na wo genuine reason binti it is how prove na
ya account fast
na ya ma o prove no na se utimi prove obetimi prove atwe na wadi bim na fa se wa ntwe nso no so wadi bim na se wa no tua na wuntua ekwa na eridiko one day o aka no be wa na ya fa ka na koton ye ton a ama eka na wode no ne ya se balance ka na ye de asende o post se balance an kanso a ne asan ma letter e se o ka na ye ton ye na nuru o ka wode edi
emra na ye dwuma o emra na ye dwuma
na ha ye nya nuru ho je se ye nya obi onyansafo obi be o my Ghana ne so nte sa ye nya nuru
obi timi fra brochire ekoduru Ghana na o fra brochire ache oduru ya pe unkita lances onu oteka mu odese
sa mi wa ha zu timi nya sa
o police apa ye hu se ne hu am kakra boga na na anything for the boys Let's just watch it.
Computer lances.
Some of them, not all, some of them. And Rani ya Juma, maybe say, maybe Landy, I just a driver, Nana, Fameko, because any man enko ye, mammy. And son, they be a letter. What would you obey? Nana, the last video now, they travel for me, say, can Oforiata. Not being the same. I'm not being the same.
Where the Ghana Bonnet,
but I say, baby, I do.
Man, where the Ghana Bonnet,
I am tough about.
I critical.
They said, the lawyers in the person me said, US court, no, migration judge, no, and say, no man, stay, legal stay.
Asalam cry ope.
I am on the legal stay in Ghana.
Ebi ani yenchi asalam nika ebi ani obi ntu kwanda na ntu kwanda kra ana obi wa tu kwanda batal salam won fa nya hwintu onim asalam ni nyina ne se waba beduru obi krom na obi man so na wo de complain ama oman ne mpanifo se ukromu enye save ma because okwa yepe waku yepe waye wade yepe waye usei enu nti no sere o ma omonye won ka ha it is omonye won ka ha dia omdo beto asalam no nso conditions ne say ukromu ho no ye twa wudi afiri ukromu nim untimi nsi ukromu ho da ebia adise over 10 years plus unko ukromu ho da anti krono enya wode abiem unko ho da
ono amunsu
ompaba etino eba sa no wabaye krono property nti krono ban o sha ban ne nsa sebe utosesi akra na onye Ghana national asset bi itaban na krono awom na ban no na yeden obe take care of bibia eno na Oforiatta esikifo na wo sisa sika o Ghana na wudi si dan si Ghana na wuja ho no edan no ayefo ne ntram edan na wusi cameras nyina bu atoto cameras nya bo ehwefo na abeso mo ntra sa dan nim
tisi ade de tata no obe da ba
Akufo Addo onte Ghana ho Gabi Acherdako onte Ghana ho Asante Bedi Atuo onte Ghana ho anyam nya na mo fo eska no ayede na de wakodi abroche wo so ma Asante Bedi Atuo kura kitapoma etoguso because stroke wache no o toguso o yare pa nso de te Ghana ho wo de be yare enko an se be eku a e ga be wu a be afini a wudwane kwa abroche wu ye se wo yare ye serious a afini etinga wu ye
Debi se de yare no nya no no omde ye case wo de asem foforo na wonim nana odwane ye no migration judge I say Ghana Supreme Court
sa
case ba ye yi obi
eno
judge ni na yi obi ma se no wonim se nipa na o makoyi no asama to papa yi yese ne tirimu adin ankasa ni tirimu adin papa akwa se kolende sa ayi efanse referee kolende asama ho ni tirimu
Unya sa referee ni wo match
red card wo hwe
unya referee ni wo match because yewu
yese your friend no David A. Gardy David A. Gardy no the judge migration judge ayi won ankasa experience okita 22 years na we are very strict
and wono de sa enkofo a omo no ekita din akesefo no ohia wo
ukrom na wo de wo so okita din ti se Vanessa Akufo Addo na ne issue abeso sankofo no
pe wa dre won
ena no won
Ghana for tia yi
just wo asam na wo ka se ye ma stay wo ho no evidence no nya imagination bi asem
ye at least ye konko he video ne
meba point ni nyina ne say ono no aye na adwen se wo pe ba bi afa ni nyina no na onim se sa okotojem it say extradition na Ghana by airpen wa request
correct one
it open Ghana by sama wo kan na evidence okita na wonim se what tengan evidence
akura tenga
and what they call akoma
ayini
abrantie na no kurani so wo so hwem na extradition no reason ni ya janiwa ade akura nche ni awo ni atikro
Ghana for your empire baby
nana yenhwe Black Rasta we a credit to Black Rasta yen konko hwe video no emfamra unim ema ore mfi so be subscribe e dia ma channel no subscribe na bo ase horo bo so ma me thank you yen kobra
Oforiatta case. What happened in US court yesterday? Yesterday, the 19th of February, 2026, Oforiatta appeared in court, the Annandale Immigration Court. in Virginia, in America. Ghanaian media houses announced that he was going. But as to what happened in court, I haven't seen anything yet. So we decided to go into the court, get all the information, ask the most important questions, and bring that to you. Because I have taken it personal. I want to see this crook back in Ghana to face reality. And I'm angry with him for one very important reason. Come and account for your tenure of office. Your uncle, the president, is here. Former President Nana-Addo. He's not threatened by even mosquitoes. Gabi Asare-Okyere, a man many people said would go to jail. My brother, my sister, is still here. Not a scratch on his skin. And this guy claims that he feels political witch hunt chasing him. For that matter, he won't come to Ghana. We have to use the laws to get him. Well, my brother, my sister, today we got news for you. There's Warungu boy, Dominic Akuritinga Ayene, PhD, schooled in America. He's been following this issue keenly. And he's making sure that nothing dribbles him. His eyes are so fixated to the case. Every move, even after dark, when he sees shadows, he's ready to take action. We went to the courts, and this was what we saw. Come here! Now, my brother, my sister, Ken Ofori-Atta arrived in court, and the judge who is sitting on his case is called David Egarde. Hey, yeah, David Egarde. Does the name ring a bell? This is the guy sitting on Ken Ofori-Atta's immigration case. He went to court to deal with his bond. As to whether they would allow him to go out of the detention center or not is going to depend on this guy. And apart from that, Ken Ofori-Atta is demanding and fighting that they keep him in America and give him legal residential status. Can I break that down? He wants to stay in the country legally, and he wants to be a resident of America. Can I tell you more? Now, this guy here, called David Egarde, has 22 years of legal experience. He's the hardest, most difficult immigration judge in the history of America. I like to deal with dossiers. Run the dossier, my youth. Hey! Hey! Dodo? Look at him. Judge David Egarde is the U.S. immigration judge presiding over Ken Ofori-Atta's case at the Annandale Immigration Court in Virginia. He's known for a strict, listen, evidence-driven approach, famously stating in this case that the court cannot act on assertions without proof. Hey, my brother. Now, he joined the immigration bench in August 2023, 2.5 years ago. Before becoming a judge, he spent 22 years as a federal prosecutor. And his roles included chief of the public corruption, listen, and civil rights unit. He hates to hear about corruption. Once he hears that this guy is here because of corruption, and he has the facts, you are finished. He also served as a special counsel to the U.S. attorney. Jesus have mercy. He represented the president and the government of America as a judge, a lawyer, and he was the chief of the drug task force unit. Don't joke with it when it comes to drugs. And in private practice, he previously worked as a litigation associate at the elite firm, Cravat, Swain and Moore LLP, right there in New York, Big Apple. Where did he go to school? Notre Dame Law School. And then the almighty Yale University. Yale University, right there in my state, Connecticut. Hey, my brother, now let us look at the most dangerous part of this guy. Hey, Ken is in trouble. Big trouble. And I'm excited. Hey, he's a strict adjudicator. Now, data from the Transactional Records Access Clearinghouse track indicates that he has a significantly high asylum denial rate, roughly 81.4%, which is above all the national average. Hold it there. Do you know what that means? All the cases that come to him for people seeking asylum, they want residence. They want to stay in America because their countries are chasing them. 81% and over, he denied. Go back to your country. Whoa, you better not. 81% and over, he has denied. And the closest anybody got, the closest any judge got to denying asylum in America was 51%. Is Black Rasta explaining this properly? When it comes to denying people residence, asylum, and all that in America, he is the judge with the highest record. The one who comes second is 51%. Flip! This is the guy Ken is dealing with. Watch this. Procedural focus, legal analyst, other lawyers, and big brains. Come here. And big brains of the legal profession. This is what they are saying. They describe him as tough-minded. Tough. You see him slim like that, the trim more rough. And unlikely to be swayed by a defendant's political stature. Can you hear that? It doesn't matter whether you are Sasabonsam in your country or wherever. As for this man, he will deal with you. Focusing instead on strict procedural compliance and documentary evidence. Jesus have mercy. Kai Dodo, that shit. This is the guy we're dealing with. So Ken went and sat before this guy. His name is David Egarde. 22 years of legal experience in so many different fields. The guy with the highest refusal rate. This is the guy God has blessed us with. So Ken has gone to sit before this guy. And already he's been told, this guy is a big guy in Ghana, and those are the people he likes to deal with. Reduce you to nothing, dealing with the facts. Please, we need him in Ghana. His uncle is here. Nothing is happening to him. The president and he himself has called him to tell him that Ghana is safe. Watch this. Watch it. My brother, my sister, Ghana is safe. Everything is good. But he still wants to follow his own whims and caprices, the underpinnings of an easy life. Jesus have mercy. Oh, your P, uncle. So they met yesterday. Dash him away. They met him. And when they sat down, what happened? Can I tell you what happened? Run the doors here. We like to deal with evidence, and I need you to follow this. Ken Ofori-Atta was in court yesterday, the 19th of February 2026. Now, the session followed an initial court appearance on January 20, which we all know about. We remember the in-camera listening, where the judge first deferred the decision on his release to allow the prosecution time to provide documented proof of an official extradition request from Ghana. And when they sat, Ofori-Atta was pulled out from ICE custody and brought to court. My brother, my sister, it was adjourned to April 27, 2026. And this is the bond hearing. He's still in custody. He's sweating like a pregnant crocodile on heat. Now, the judge's ultimatum for the extradition packet expired during yesterday's hearing, leading to the current wait for a final bond hearing. When they got to court, the judge said, I hear that Ghana wants you extradited to Ghana. Even though this case is all about you getting bond for you to leave this detention center and go in there. Is it true? Are you a person of interest in Ghana? Do the Ghanaians want you? If that is so, I'm giving them time for them to provide me with the extradition packet. I will look at it and it will help me decide whether to even allow you here for a minute or not. If I look at it and I see that, oh, true, they have a certain point, I'm waiting for the Ghanaians to bring that. The federal judges would have to bring this. Ghana has already sent the package there. Right now, the judge is asking that to be brought to his court from his colleagues in the federal law courts, so he can have a look at that and now decide. You can. We now go let you out. Yes, so you are good there. My brother, my sister. Now, during the court hearing yesterday, February 19, 2026, in the United States, and a federal judge addressed the potential extradition of former Ghanaian Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta. And the following key events took place. Evidence required. The man said he needed evidence. This will help him to decide. Even though this is a bond hearing, we hear you are a person of interest, a fugitive running from the law in Ghana. My brother, my sister, dash it away. This is where we are. My brother, you see, Abua Oniduano. Abua Oniduano. He has gone in for a former U.S. Attorney General, John Ashcroft. Former U.S. Attorney General. This is his lawyer. And he has also gathered a team of lawyers. They have been paid so much money, allegedly, with Ghana stolen money. He's throwing money like Pekple during the Homo War on these guys. Even though this guy and the Attorney General of Ghana had a very nice relationship, he went behind him and decided to defend Ken Ofori-Atta, all because of would he finally decide that he will keep his integrity on the line or in his pocket? We are watching. The 27th of April is the day they will go to court again. And that will be a good day. They are going to meet the hard judge, David Agade. And the prayer is that justice will be done, and Ghana shall smile again. Accountability must be upheld in every jurisdiction, and the Americans know this. Keloforiata says there's a witch hunt, political witch hunt. He has succeeded in getting the red whatever taken out. But my brother, this is the beginning of a beautiful trial. And I trust David Agard to be able to pull through one more time. It's the Black Pots, aka Kukushonamo. And here we speak truth to power.